Romeo, where's the toy? Romeo, where's the toy? Oh, where's the toy? I do. Why don't you go get some water? Why don't you get some water? You're such a pretty girl. It's yours. It's a pretty girl. You love your mommy. You love your mommy. Where's Romeo? There he is. What's Romeo doing? I said, go get your toy. Romeo. Romeo, go get your toy. Where is it? Go get it. It's up there. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, you have green eyes. Oh, boy. Get your toy. Romeo. Look at that guy. Ready. Wait, let it go. Let me throw it. Oh, deal. Ready. Go. There he goes. Where's my toy? Is that your toy? Yes, it is. I love you. I love you. Say goodbye. I love you. Want to eat? Want to eat? Your eyes are both glowing. You look like little robots.